My name is Devin Simmons and I am the Advanced Manufacturing Instructor at Medina County Career Center. This Career Tech major is going to offer students the opportunity to learn hands-on. We use manual mills, we use manual lathes, and we use CNC mills, CNC lathes, as well as various other machine shop type equipment. We also use CAD software, Mastercam, to design parts and then program the machinery to have the parts come out the way that we design them.
I chose to come to the Career Center because I heard a lot of good things about it. My brother did influence me to come here because he had so much fun doing it. He learned a lot of new stuff and I just figured I can learn that too. It seems cool.
It's been great so far. We've learned things like how to work a lathe, like manual lathes, manual milling. Right now we're making hammers for our final. This program offers internships, Skills USA, and OSHA training. It's important because I can get a job right after this. I'm ready to enter the workforce as soon as I graduate because I have all my requirements, all my certificates.
Some competitions that we get to do are Skills USA. You have to make a whole program and then you just make something on a CNC mill or lathe.
The cool thing about the Career Center is I still get to be involved with my homeschool. I get to go to art club and see my friends every Tuesday. There's always opportunities to go see football games or be involved in school events in general.
I am a half-day student. It's nice because I still get to come and enjoy the Career Center and the lab that I'm in.
So in this class you do get college credit, and we also focus heavily on internships. All of our seniors have 100% placement. Job placement manufacturing is in very high demand. You'll have no trouble finding high-paying jobs and clean, safe environments. A lot of manufacturers offer college reimbursement and college credits. MCCC, it's just a great place to be. It's a great place to work. It's a great place to be a student. We're a community here, and we come here and we have fun.
I love how much the teachers care about their students here, and I love how nice everybody is.
I just love teaching kids. I love helping them work through problems, but I like watching them come up with their own solutions because there's so many different ways to answer a problem, and sometimes it's things I don't even think of. Typical path after graduation is they're going to get into some sort of manufacturing role.
I would like to go right into the workforce, find a good job in manufacturing. I want to work on CNCs.
If a friend of mine asked me if they should come to the Career Center, I'd say definitely. Your school day goes by so much faster just because you're having fun the entire time.
Manufacturing is so broad. There's so many things that you could do with it. Really, it's just how much you want to apply yourself, and the sky's the limit,